How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from the phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, you'll have to launch your Chrome browser on a device or any other browser that is more convenient for you. Then simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for photos.google.com. So let's search for photos.google.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. So let's go for photos.google.com and make sure you're in the desktop side over here. So as you do that, what you can simply do is you'll be able to see different pictures. So let me just see one of the pictures over here. So I'm gonna delete one of the pictures over here and simply tap on the option over here to move to trash. So let's tap on got it. So as I move this to trash, what you can simply do is now you can just go to your gallery and it will still be there while it's deleted from your Google Photos. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.